very shiny today.
And now I'm stargazing. You think for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Okay, hair. Okay, it's looking alright. You look alright. You guys. Okay, I'm smiling so hard you can see all my teeth and my eyes are closing, so it looks like I have no eyeballs because welcome to today's video. It is a luxury haul. In my opinion, it's quite massive in quantity. Sorry, in quality, not in quantity. In quality, maybe not in quantity. However, these are all items with the exception of one from my fall 2021 wishlist video, which I'll put the thumb for right here and we'll link in the card above. So if you have not already watched that video, please stop this video, stop what you're doing, stop, drop, and roll, and click that link so you can go watch the wishlist video first and then come back here so you can see what I got off of my fall 2021 luxury wishlist video. No, just off the wishlist, not the video. Anyways, you guys, without further ado, before I keep rambling and mixing up my words, which I'm notorious for, let's go ahead and hop in today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and hit that little bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video, which TBH has not been as consistent as I would like it to be, but we're getting our lives together. Yeah, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bree, all one word, all spelled out. I love you so much and I'm ecstatic, so let's get into the video. Okay, so really quickly before we get into today's video, I just want to give a huge shout out to Dossier for sponsoring this week's video. So yes, another huge shout out to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, you know that I'm obsessed with Oriental Cherry, aka Lost Cherry. So this is Dossier's version of the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. It is absolutely amazing, you guys. They smell identical. However, I actually do like Dossier's version better because it lasts a lot longer on my skin tone. So completely obsessed with this. It is a beautiful fall scent. It's so warm. You literally smell like a spicy cherry pie, and it's literally delicious. So one of the really cool things about Dossier is their website. So if you guys have never visited the website, please make sure that you check that out. I will leave the link for the Dossier website in my description box below. Because there's actually a fragrance quiz that you can take on there if you're not sure which fragrance suits you best, which I absolutely love. The shipping is super duper fast, you guys, and they have hassle-free returns. So they always send the fragrance with, it'll be like a little vial, and I actually have mine because I put mine in a travel bag, but it's like a little small atomizer filled with a sample of the fragrance. So you can actually try that one first before you actually wear the fragrance. And if you are not satisfied, you can just send it on back and get another. So I will leave my discount code as well as the link to this specific fragrance down below if you guys want to check that out. But yes, huge shout out to Dossier for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love them. Their price point is amazing. You're literally getting the same exact fragrance for, like, I don't even know, a fraction of the price. So super duper amazing. And then you can take all the rest of your funds and coins from all the money you save and buy luxury like me. So big shout out to Dossier. Thank you so much. Okay, and really quickly, one more thing, just outfit details. So this dress, you guys will see it when I do my mod shots, but it is from PLT, Pretty Little Thing. I actually did a try on video, a styling video with this dress, actually two of them. I'll pop the cards up here. Bianca will insert them, don't forget. But for jewelry, I just have on my regular old trusty dusty Rolex. I have on these really cute Dior tri-ballis earrings, the ones with the pearls. Super duper cute, but that is pretty much it. This is actually an outfit for a vlog because I'm also vlogging, and you'll probably see this video first before the vlog. So but anyways, yeah, let's hop into the video. So first things first, the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is, it was actually a gift. And yeah, so I got another Tom Ford candle. Well, I was gifted another Tom Ford candle. So this is the Tom Ford candle in the Lost Cherry scent, which, as you guys know, is like one of my signature fragrances. I absolutely love it. So here is what the box looks like. Super cute. And the candle, which I've started burning, looks like this. So pretty. It's in this gorgeous cherry red ceramic encasement. I started smelling before it got to my nose. Did you catch that? But it smells so good. I've lit this. You guys will probably see it in a vlog. I used this when I was having like a pamper evening, when I was having a bath, and it's literally so amazing. Absolutely love this candle. Okay, small little what is it called? Malfunction, but we're back. Okay, so next, this was an item from my wish list, but it's not this exact item. So I will say though, a lot of these items are like, okay, well, two of them are holy grail items for me, meaning these are items I did not think I would get a chance to have, but as fate and God would have it, thank you, Jesus, I got my chance. So this one was not exactly on my wish list, and you'll see what I mean when I unbox it, but as you can tell from this gray box, it is, okay, it is an item from Balenciaga. So this is actually my first item ever from Balenciaga, popping my Balenciaga cherry. That sounded naughtier than I meant it to sound. Forgive me, Lord. But yes, so like I said, it was on my wish list. It was just in a different color and material. So without further ado, okay, so this is, and please forgive me when I said I had a little malfunction, I lost my thumbnail. So, and not thumbnail as in like YouTube thumbnail, my actual thumbnail. It's okay, forget about that, forget I said anything. So this is the Balenciaga Hourglass bag, you guys. This bag has been on my wish list for quite some time. So they originally came out, and I'll put them right here, they were larger, and it was like a hot pink, this color here, and then a lime green. And I wanted the hot pink, however, you couldn't get your hands on it. It was gone before you knew it. However, I think they've done a re-release because I've been seeing this all over the internet lately. Tons of personal shoppers. I've been seeing it at like Bergdorf's, at a couple other stores, and like a small. So I believe there's like a micro and a mini. If I can find the pictures, I'll put them right here. But how adorable is this? So it is the Balenciaga Hourglass bag in the fur. It is the hot pink color. It is so cute, and it is super mini. When I say mini, you guys know I love mini bags, but this is what the inside looks like. So yes, very mini, but I'm obsessed. And something cool it did come with. So she came with a strap. How adorable is this? I think it looks a little over the top with the strap on it. Like if I had it in the larger size, I would definitely put the strap on there. And I know I've seen it in the, I want to say it's like a micro size where it's actually just a chain strap, which is kind of cool as well. But she does come with a strap, and I'll do some mod shots so you can see what it looks like with the strap on versus off. But you guys, I'm obsessed. So like I was saying, yes, this was on my wish list, but it was this one here. So it's the shearling. It's new for fall 2021, and it's in like this really pretty nude color, which I still want, but I'm obsessed with this one. Okay, so moving right along. So this item was definitely on my fall 2021 wish list, and I made her mine. This one is not so much a holy grail piece just because like she's not sold out. You can still get her. It's fine. But so it is an item from Fendi. I haven't purchased anything from Fendi in a while. However, they really showed out for their fall winter 2021 collection. I had quite a few items on my wish list from Fendi, and I am slowly but surely checking them off. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. Okay, so hi, it's me. So this is the Fendi First, amazing, ultra popular Fendi First bag, but mine is extra special because it is in the pink or nude shearling. just holding the bag, like it feels incredible. The shearling is absolutely amazing. You guys, look at this. And so this is more of the color. It is like a true pinky nude. It's definitely not like a tan nude. And then when you open it up, the inside is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the Fendi logo print, all of that gorgeous gold hardware. So it does come with a strap. You can take this off, but the cool thing about this is that these little hooks right here where you put the strap on, they actually swivel back into the bag. So when you don't have the strap on it, you don't have to see these. But I'm absolutely obsessed. I love the strap, and this is probably the way that I would wear mine all the time, just because I think it's so cute. Okay, so next up, last but certainly not least, like I said, it was definitely quality over quantity for this haul. This is a bag that I have been drooling over, praying about, wanting for, if I'm not being dramatic, I'd at least say for a year, if not longer. And I hope that's correct. It might be a lie. It doesn't matter. All that matters is that I have it. So again, with this one, you guys, it's a piece that I thought I would never get my hands on just because it was so limited. There were rumors at one time that they had only made like 20 of them or something. I don't know if that's true. You know, they be lying. They be lying.
But all of a sudden, now it's all over social media. Like
all these stores have it. They've got, anyways. I've already unboxed it, so it's not a true unboxing. I haven't worn it yet, but I just want to go ahead and show you because, oh my gosh, it is amazing. Yeah, a moment of silence, if we will, if we can. So you guys, ooh, honey. So this was on my wish list for fall 2021. I already have a different variation of this bag. It is the Prada re-edition bag in Swarovski crystal. I'll pop the picture here. This one is different. I don't know that these are Swarovski crystals. The shape is a lot different, and I'll show you on the close-ups. But, oh my God, I haven't said her name yet. Sorry. Oh my gosh, not God. This is the Prada Clio bag in the crystal in black satin. So, you guys, like... Okay, so I adjusted the light just a little bit so you can see her, but this bag is literally absolutely stunning. Cannot believe that I own it. So it comes with a short strap like this, but then in the inside, and I just have it tucked here, it comes with like a strap adjuster? No, an extra strap so you can wear this as a crossbody. I'm gonna put the picture of it crossbody here because I'm probably not gonna mod shot it crossbody for you because I don't really like it on me because I'm short and I have a short torso, but it looks so cute on the tall people. But anyways, this is the bag. It is covered in these gorgeous, sparkly, whatever they are. It's absolutely stunning. Well, you guys, that wraps up this luxury wish list 2021 haul reveal video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoy making. I love these types of videos, you guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that amazing stuff. And another huge shout out to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. Per usual, I will leave all of the good stuff in the description box below. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button and turn on that little bell so you get notified every single time I post a new video. And I love you guys so much. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're favored. I hope you are seeing miracles and huge blessings and living in joy and love and peace and abundance and all of those amazing things. I pray for you in Jesus' name. I love you so much, and I'll see you in a couple of days, you guys.